بعد غياب، للجنة فتحت أبواب، بهجة قلبي صفى روحي، رحمة ربي بدون حساب، أقبل قمرك بعد غياب، للجنة فتحت أبواب، بهجة قلبي صفى روحي، رحمة ربي بدون حساب.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hello civil engineers and welcome to the 11th episode of CIVIL53, the building executions, steps and tips. Before we jump in and start the 11th episode, I would like to remind you to subscribe to my channel. Let's go. Step 11. Superstructure, column and beam. The superstructure is the portion above the plinth level of the building. The main component of the superstructure is a beam and column. The columns are built up to the slab level, and the frame for the further construction is prepared. Tip 11. Builders' risk insurance. It is important to make sure that they have adequate coverage in place to recover the current value of your project, including labor costs, if a loss occurs due to a set number of causes. This will also help to keep construction on time and within budget. So by this we can conclude the 11th episode of CIVIL53, the building executions, steps and tips. See you tomorrow at the same time, Insha Allah.